Is Apple about to kill the iPad mini, or are they hiding something so massive it will change everything you thought you knew about ultra-portable tech? Think about it. We live in a world where smartphones are getting bigger, folding screens are trying to take over, and laptops are getting thinner. Yet, tucked away in Apple's lineup is a device that defies every single rule of modern technology. The iPad mini. For years, rumors have swirled. Is it dead? Is Apple abandoning it? Or is the upcoming iPad mini 8 secretly the most important product they are designing in Cupertino right now? If you think this is just another minor spec bump, you are about to be completely blindsided. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Because the data leaking out of the supply chain suggests Apple is preparing a total paradigm shift. A device so powerful, so uniquely positioned, that it might just render your iPhone and your MacBook Pro obsolete for daily tasks. Let's look at the brutal reality of why you are still holding on to that old tablet, or why you refuse to buy a giant smartphone. You want portability, but you hate compromises. You want to hold a device in one hand while drinking your coffee, walking through an airport, or laying in bed, but you don't want a screen that feels cramped. You want to edit photos, handle heavy workflows, and maybe even game at the highest frame rates, but you don't want to carry a heavy laptop bag everywhere you go. The iPad mini has always promised that dream, but it has always felt just one step behind Apple's flagship silicon. Until now. What if I told you that the iPad mini 8 is being engineered to fix every single complaint, every single flaw, and every single limitation of its predecessors? To truly understand what is coming, we have to look closely at the hidden moves Apple is making behind closed doors. They aren't just building a tablet. They are building an artificial intelligence powerhouse that fits right into your jacket pocket. The integration of advanced neural processing means that this tiny footprint is about to handle tasks that used to require a desktop setup. Imagine running fully local, complex language models, generating high-resolution images in seconds, and editing multi-track ProRes video on a screen you can hold with one hand. This isn't science fiction. This is the exact trajectory of the next-generation Apple silicon destined for this chassis. But why now? Why is Apple pouring resources into an 8-inch canvas when the tech industry keeps pushing for bigger displays? The answer lies in human psychology and ergonomics. We are experiencing screen fatigue. The massive heavy tablets feel like a chore to use after a long day at work. The tiny phone screens strain our eyes when we try to read a script, analyze a spreadsheet, or watch a cinematic masterpiece. The 8-inch form factor is the sweet spot. It is the golden ratio of modern media consumption and production. And with the iPad mini 8, Apple is finally maximizing every square millimeter of that space. Let's talk about the display because this is where the biggest battle is being fought. For years, users have begged for a high refresh rate screen on the smaller model. The phenomenon known as jelly scrolling plagued earlier versions, leaving a bad taste in the mouths of tech enthusiasts who demand absolute perfection. Apple heard the outcry. The supply chain reports indicate a massive shift in display technology for the version 8. We are talking about a completely redesigned backplane that eliminates scrolling lag entirely, pushing smooth, fluid motion that matches the iPhone Pro and Pro Max series. When you swipe through a document,